I'm going to start them whenever the spirit moves you.
A 2008 study found that 460 premature deaths per year in the San Joaquin Valley are caused by pollution. When I first found out about this statistic, I was surprised to see how a factor such as pollution could contribute to someone's premature death. In addition to this, I was also surprised that the same factor of pollution could keep someone within a cycle of poverty. I first learned about the issues within the San Joaquin Valley when I was in an environmental science class, and I became interested in this topic after I learned that an issue like this could exist within a place that wasn't too far away from where I lived. With that being said, because of my interest in this topic, this semester I plan on examining the topic of health disparities that exist for Latinos within the San Joaquin Valley, and today I'll be describing the key issues, my research, and how it relates to social justice. First, I will be describing two key issues of my topic, and they both have to do with pollution. The first key issue is air contamination. Every single year, the locations within the San Joaquin Valley are rated among the top 25 most air-polluted locations in the United States. It is because of this air pollution that causes respiratory problems such as asthma and lung cancer, which are extremely common for residents within the area. In addition to this, residents who have the highest risk of respiratory systems problems happen to be Latinos. In addition to air pollution, another key issue is groundwater pollution. Because the San Joaquin Valley is a center for agriculture, the use of fertilizers makes it common for groundwater to be polluted with substances that cause birth defects and cancer. Similar to the health risk posed by air pollution, water systems used by a high percentage of Latinos in the San Joaquin Valley also have a high percentage of these harmful substances. In both cases of pollution, the health risks posed by both cases both lead to premature death. Due to poor government regulation and standards on air pollution and groundwater pollution, this continues to be a problem for Latinos within the area. Now that I have established the key issues of my topic, I will now be describing some of my research that I have done. One study that I have found to be very helpful was by the National Institute of Environmental Health Science, which explored the social disparities in contaminated drinking waters within the San Joaquin Valley. This has showed me the relationship between minorities and the availability of safe drinking water. Another resource I have found to be very helpful is a report on health inequities in the San Joaquin Valley that was done by health department officials in the area. This report has showed the link between factors such as health, education, socioeconomic status, and race within the area. The team who wrote this report also uses the information they found to try to ameliorate the situation by informing government officials to guide them in their decisions in regards to this topic. The final point I'd like to make is how my topic of health disparities for Latinos within the San Joaquin Valley exists within the realm of social justice. This is a social justice issue because these health disparities are what keeps a minority group within a cycle of poverty, which prevents them from attaining basic human needs such as good health and good education. We should care about this issue because we are part of a society that allows for this to happen to individuals who cannot do anything about their circumstances. In other words, we should care about this as fellow human beings. In conclusion, today I have told you about how I plan to explore my topic of health disparities that exist for Latinos in the San Joaquin Valley by describing their key issues, my research, and how it relates to social justice. Based off of the research I have done so far, I hope to further learn about how factors such as pollution could contribute to such an ongoing social injustice, and I hope to help you understand it more later in the semester as well. Thank you.